In this video, I will show you two ways through which you can recover a banned WhatsApp account if your account can no longer use WhatsApp due to spam. Now, there are several reasons as to why WhatsApp may ban an account, and some of these reasons among others include adding people to groups without their knowledge, sending repetitive messages, but also sometimes it can occur as a result of a glitch in the system, sending false reports. So therefore, to recover a banned account, the first step is for you to request for a review. But one thing you have to note is that requesting for review is no longer possible by email as it used to be. But you can make an appeal within the WhatsApp app itself, and to do so, open your WhatsApp app. Then at the bottom of the ban notification, you click on Request Review. So sometimes you may be asked to verify your account through an SMS before you can request a review, and once that is done, then you have to enter a reason as to why you think your WhatsApp account was accidentally banned. But in case there is no option of writing any text, then that is the very review that you're going to submit, and after that, you can wait for a couple of hours or days, and during that period, WhatsApp will go through your account review, and if it finds no violation, then your account will be reinstated and you'll be able to use WhatsApp again. So the other thing that you have to take note of is, when using this process, avoid submitting several requests at a go, as this can reduce chances of your account getting reinstated. Now, if you requested for review and it was declined, then on your WhatsApp homepage, you'll always be presented with "This account cannot use WhatsApp" or "Register a new number" option. So in this case, the second solution is for you to wait for a period of 90 days, which is about 3 months. So within those 90 days, WhatsApp system will detect the affected number as being inactive and will delete or remove that number from the WhatsApp servers. And therefore, after those 90 days, you can now try registering your number on WhatsApp, and this time you should be able to use your WhatsApp account again. But the only challenge with this method is that you'll most likely lose all the previous chats that you had. But nonetheless, you can always initiate new conversations for you to be able to update your contacts. So that is it for today. I hope this helps you. So you can leave a comment in the comment section, and also subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more updates, and I hope to see you in the next video.